I do this every time I don't have time. Only 4 ingredients, easy and economical. For this recipe we are going to add it to a container. 6 eggs. Add a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to hit it really well. And guys, this recipe is super wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it because it's delicious. I will now add 300 ml of milk. And mix very well. And people are already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from that I will send a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. I will now grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Add to our bowl and mix these ingredients very well until completely homogenized. And you can see it's super easy. I will now be slicing chives. Adding to our bowl. Add a teaspoon of nutmeg. And we are going to mix very well. And today, I'm going to send a special big hug to Madison from Miami. Thank you so much for always being with us. I appreciate it immensely. Now in a container, I will be greasing it with butter and adding our recipe. Bake in a preheated oven at 356 degrees for about 20 minutes. And our recipe is ready. You saw how easy it is. Very fast and uses very few ingredients. It's perfect. So if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.